Today, we're going to make keto almond cake.
To make this cake, you'd need following ingredients: 15 or 16 almonds, 1 tablespoon of butter for greasing, 1 cup of almond flour and 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 brown eggs and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of whole milk. First, we would need to separate the egg yolks and then whip just the yolks. Whip thoroughly until it becomes a smooth paste. I'll add the 1/4 cup of white sugar to the paste and mix it well. Next, add a cup of almond flour and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence to the mixture. And mix it well. Add 3 tablespoons of whole milk to batter and mix it thoroughly. Now, whip the egg white and add it to the batter. And mix it well. Next, set some wax paper in a baking pan and pour the batter in it. Preheat your oven at 360 Fahrenheit and bake for 17 to 20 minutes.